Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to receive money on PayPal from other countries. Whether you're a freelancer, online seller, business owner, or simply receiving money from friends or family abroad, this guide will show you the easiest ways to get paid through your PayPal account. If someone in another country wants to send you money through PayPal, the process is actually very simple, and there are two easy ways to do it right inside your account. I'll walk you through both options, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Both methods are quick to set up, and once you know where to find them, receiving international payments becomes much more convenient. Once you're logged into PayPal, look for the Send and Request section and click on it. This is where PayPal lets you either send money to someone else or ask another person to send money to you. Since the goal here is to receive money, this is the area you'll want to use. It's the main hub for managing person-to-person payments, making it easy to either request funds or share your payment information when needed. After that, go to the Request tab. This section is specifically designed for asking someone to pay you, which makes it helpful when you're dealing with friends, clients, customers, or anyone sending money from another country. Using a payment request can also make things clearer for the sender because they'll know exactly who the request is coming from and what they're being asked to pay. It can also help reduce confusion by giving the sender a direct notification in their PayPal account with the payment details already prepared. Here you can enter the recipient's details, such as their name, email address, or phone number, and then send them a request for payment. Make sure the information you enter is correct, so the request reaches the right person. Once they receive it, they can review the request and complete the payment from their side. Double-checking the recipient's information before sending the request is always a good habit, especially if you're working with new clients or sending multiple payment requests. There's also another option if you don't want to manually enter someone's details. You can click on Share Your Personal Profile. This allows you to open your PayPal profile page where you can copy your personal payment link. That link can then be sent directly to the person who needs to float you. When they open it, they'll be able to add you as the recipient and send money to your PayPal account more easily. This method is especially convenient if you're communicating through email, messaging apps, or social media, since you can simply paste the link instead of asking someone to search for your account. This second option is especially useful if you're sharing your payment details with multiple people, or if you want a faster way for international senders to find you without needing to type in your information manually. Just copy the link carefully and share it through whatever method works best for you. Keeping your payment link handy can also save time if you regularly receive payments from customers or clients around the world. And that's it. Those are the simple ways to receive money on PayPal from other countries by either sending a payment request or sharing your personal PayPal profile link. As long as the sender follows the request or uses your link correctly, the money can be sent directly to your account. Once the payment is completed, you'll typically be able to see it in your PayPal balance or transaction history, making it easy to keep track of incoming payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow PayPal tips and tutorials.